Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quick Skills. In this video I will show you how to make a music visualizer. So first of all, open your browser like Chrome and search for vizzy.io, and you have to log in it for better experience. So I have already logged in this website, and if you log in it and you will get a better experience here. Now, if you want to make a new visualizer, you can simply click on editor and a new project will open for you. And you can also scroll here down and find an already made templates that you can use with your sound. Just paste your sound here and your visualizer will be ready. So you can open it here and you can also explore this, and you have different filters like here most like, most recent, most clicked, stop, fix. So which one you want, you can choose here, and you will find it here. Like this is with scope, wide C. This is already made and free for use. You can use it for free. With you can see here different templates here. Minimal paste it, and you can also make your own just by clicking editor, and new project will be open for you. Like now I have opened a new project. Okay, now this is our new project. Here you can see different things, but I will understand you some things. First you have to paste your audio. So here you can see that option of choose audio. So click on choose audio and you can choose, I have this one, so I paste it here. Okay, now our audio is here, and we can here you can see different compositions like spectrum, particle, image. So the spectrum means this thing, center which is white, and in center there is logo. So this is our spectrum, and there's our background image, and the three particles you see, these are the particles compositions. So first of all, there is spectrum, then the particles, and then and the last there is image layer. So now you can, I have clicked spectrum, and here you can see that these spectrums more often are opened. You can choose different spectrum styles like this one. Now I will show you for preview. You can also choose this one. Anyone you want to, you can choose here. Mostly I like to do it is this one. So I will show you on the video and this. As you can see also layouts, different layouts. I can choose portrait, and you can also use landscape. You can also make it for Instagram, that is different ratio, but I will teach you on portrait. Okay, so now on scrolling here you can see spectrum layer. Here spectrum layers are added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7 up to 9 layers are there or spectrums. So you can choose also 1 and 2. You can remove the extra layers by clicking these three dots and remove, or you can also disable this layer, and then later you can also enable it again. But all layers are very looking pretty precious, so I will not disable anyone. On scrolling down, you can access each album, and here you can change the central logo. This logo by uploading your own picture, any logo you have you want to add center, so you can upload it from here. Also, you can bring it from link at this website and paste the link, and you will get your image here. But mostly upload is very good for you. And here you can see also spectrum height or different spectrum height you can put here, and this will give you. Also you can change the image size by here from here. So you can circular image and not circular image. Fill circle mirror option, you have click circle, draw type. What like you want the spectrum layers like curve lines, planes, points, etc. Whatever you want. But mostly people like curves, and these are very good looking. So curves are very good for you. And you can also select feather if it's like you can see that white color now removed, and you can see just the feather. But this one is looking good, so we will choose this one. Okay, you can choose different options here. Also you have shadow effect, shadow y, shadow x. You can also change position from here. Texture rotation, texture scale means now what size of spectrum you want, like changing from here to different lengths from x and r and from y, because this is a 2D. So you have just x and y, not z. Other things like particle of 2D. Here you can see that it is 2D. So in this particles texture is here because we have z option also. What is 2D? We know that 2D is no content of x and y just. So these are the spectral options you can see. You can change different things. Like now I want to upload my own logo. Like you can see that I have uploaded my own logo here, and now I want to small the size. So I can small it from here to scales. I will select 0.65 and also 0.65. So I like this one size, whatever you want you can choose. And also I want to change a ground image like here. Okay, now you can see that this image is not fitted by the size, so we will choose remove this. And now you can see that all the images fitting here. And you can also change the color of the image. The background image I have changed it, and you can change the color. And this one, whatever you want. 0.23, 4. This one is also good. You can also transfer it from some position to other. Okay, these one options, and you can also change your particles images like this one, this one, this one, this one. But most people like this one, so these are also good looking. You can also choose constant size, then all the sizes of every particle will be same. Okay, all the particle sizes are one now. But constant size are not good for 3D particles. For looking 3D, it should be not constant size. You can also change its limits, fun limit, breadth limit, and so you can change its sizes. particle sizes are so positive in how these are looking, and so all these are options. Also you can add other composition to your 2D visualizer like uh, 2D balls, animated text, audio wave, butter charm, count city, ground, etc. Whatever you want you can add here. Also you can add effects here. Different effects are present here. 2D effects and 3D effects are here for color, for blending, others, blurs, lighting, decoration, motion, style. Mostly we will choose here motion, that is camera shake, that is very good and good looking effect, and you can add here to whatever you want you can add from here. And other thing is that you cannot upload your own effect here because really I am not allowed custom users to upload their own effects. So you have to use their effects that they have provided to you only. Okay. So these were our video. Now it is bit ready, and I want to show you it. Okay. So this is our final result, and we have made. You can also made it more good looking and more aura. So this is our tutorial for today. If you like this, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.